stars shine above, their light millions of years old, reminding me of who we are, created from millions of years' work, patched together by needle and thread, fault lines forming from the crossing stitches. Pulling us closer into the heartbeat of the earth, we listen to this system of roots, our bones settling like wood over time. In a cadence of a clockwork's moving parts, future gardens wait restlessly in the gears, turning the dials with careful calculations. The moon controls the tides. Balancing the weight of change, pulling together our stolen moments into a careful jigsaw puzzle. Though my voice is rough like the ocean sand that my tongue has carved out of the cavern of my lips, the soles of my feet still pulse in time with the hollow places in my bones. Until we return to where we were born, we will lay here as breathless voices count from 1 to 10. Stuck between a victory and a white flag, we can claim our land and tame our seas. All we wanted to do was etch our names into history, but we wrote in invisible ink, so now we are just a disappearing act. I stare at our hands, there's a war in my veins. We've sat so long stargazing that our moon's trapped in our knees. I was told the universe was created to be seen by my eyes, but now I know the universe starts with our eyes closed.